Hey, welcome back to Niche, everybody. We got a special episode because we found an abandoned building. We're not breaking and entering. We're in Mexico. Mexico doesn't have rules like that, so we're gonna go in the building and explore it. I have a little headlight. My pants are soaked. Get in. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Hello? Oh, we should take them. My mom has been looking for Christmas decorations. But that'd be stealing, and we don't do that here. Hello? This is scary. Look, peek around the corner. I was explaining to Matt that, like, guys, I was trying to explain to Matt that, like, you know when you have to, like, you get really excited and you, like, have to, like, poop really bad? That's, like, me right now, dude. Oh, dude, look.
That's sick.
Look at that, dude. This is them building it. Dude, wait, yeah, this is the construction of the building. 2010. Should we get a weapon just in case, bro? We get ambushed. Are you freaking nuts, bro?
You got a weapon, you're good.
It's like the duration is not good, bro. It's like someone used the scissors too much and the end fell off. I just found the basement.
No, it's a basement.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to go down there. I really don't.
What does it look like?
Bro. Dude, it's underwater. Do you see it?
That's creepy.
It's flooded, guys. If anyone needs an Ethernet cable, hit us up. It just looks trash. Dude, imagine if we smelled something like really, really bad and we walked into the room and it was just a dead body. It's cold as pee-pee. Oh, holy crap, I thought that was a dead squirrel. This room is scary, bro. Yeah, that room's messed. A beer bottle. Yeah, this room got messed up. That's scary though. You don't want to know why? Because when we're upstairs, if we're walking, you know how scary that is? These boxes look like they're from 1999. Yeah, it says 1999. I don't want to be seen in here. Oh, there's a person right there. Frick. Club life, baby. That's a scary room. We're just gonna see someone like hanging. Huh?
I just heard something.
Was it my voice echoing back? It sounds like someone walking. Come on. It sounds like someone walking. I'm freaked out.
That's creepy.
Someone was just, did you hear that? Yeah. All right, guys, we just heard like, it was like, you know, like when teachers walk in the hallway and it's like click, 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 click. Was that a growl? Was that a growl?
Maybe.
Like a raccoon? Like that. It sounded like a zombie in Minecraft, bro. But that sounded like, can you lead the way? I'm scared.
We're starting our journey again, going back into the void. That's for you. Oh, that's so 90s. Look at this thing.
Oh! Wait, can we take one? It says take one. It must be a skin.
Yeah, take one.
Should I?
This is actually like...
That's pretty cool. Bro, the action is yours. Bro, look at the game system on that. Oh, man. Sega? Should we take one?
It's hot. If you want one.
All right, I'm gonna leave it. Can we like leave it somewhere? All right, let's go. You know, the longer we pause and wait for something to happen, it's gonna happen. All right, go. Oh, yeah.
You gotta do the workout with the tire flips. What is that, dude? What is that? Got a little leak.
Oh.
This is cool. Front desk. We got the floor plans. It looks like we are in the lobby.
What is that?
It looks like they're boarding off zombies. They were boarding off zombies in here. Something happened.
That looks like it was sawed through.
You can make a fridge video instead of microwaves. This poor guy.
Oh. Poor guy.
I feel like it's gonna be darker for some reason.
Maybe. Are these stairs okay?
They feel fine. Oh, we're gonna get leaked on. Oh. Look at all those keys. Some of these are car keys.
No way. Can you imagine? Yeah, someone beat this thing up.
This Tabasco sauce. What is this, like pre-Windows XP? Those are passwords. We're in, dude.
Imagine we saw like something in the back of them, like back there.
Look at that lady. She's definitely here. She died working here.
Oh yeah. I thought that guy was eating a live duck.
What, there's a mid-level, dude?
Wait, what?
That doesn't go all the way down.
There's a mid-level? What was that? What was that? Was that you?
I think. I didn't hear anything.
We're gonna get lost.
Nah. That's creepy.
Dude.
Look in there.
Oh. Oh. Dude, can you like shine your light down there? Dude. Dude. Are you kidding, bro? How can I can't even turn it up anymore. That goes so far.
Oh, all the coppers like freaking
Green.
Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
Say something.
Yeah, I said Mr. Leone out.
Oh yeah. You'd say Leon out.
Leone out.
I thought he said something at the beginning too.
Dude, that's not okay. I don't like the light coming through. Like, this is what.
It's like a witch's
Have you
den.
seen the movie The Gallows? When the guys hang from the ceiling?
I
and
could
see,
see someone hanging from
like,
there.
right there, bro. Holy crap. Dude, here's the cubicles. Here's where you
There's gotta be someone in one of these cubes.
Bang, bang. Here's, Oh. Ready? That should be like our intro. I'm really happy the basement was flooded. I'm gonna be honest. My light just turned off. That'd be really funny if it just turned on. Curse of Winnie the Pooh. Let's get out of here, bro. While we still can. The Mahoy Manoy bathroom. Do I want this? Yeah, I do.